Alright guys, really nice short signal showed up today on the master indicator, allowing me to nail another 400 tick winner. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. We specialize in helping traders achieve consistency using one method and only one method, and that is the power of the trend. I'm telling you guys, when you learn to harness the power of trend trading, you're going to get rid of all your bad habits and you're solely going to focus on high probability setups like this. All right. So anyway, folks, what you're seeing is today's live chart of the NASDAQ. You guys know this is my favorite symbol of all time. Guys, this symbol is moving around 800 to 900 ticks or pips if you trade Forex every single day. All right. That's why I love the NASDAQ. That's why a majority of my customers and clients love trading the NASDAQ. Now, I do have the S&P 500 queued up as well. We'll come back to the S&P if we have time in this video. All right, but what are you seeing overlaid on top of the chart? Well, folks, this green and red volume indicator color band is our proprietary trend-based directional tool. This indicator is, in my opinion, #1 in the world at being able to detect a trend change as it did right here. You guys can see this, right? This clearly turned from green into red at this exact moment in time. And I think this indicator gives traders a powerful edge in the market because listen, you want to know when the trend changes, right? Like this is useful information. When it turns from green into red, it tells you that the sellers are in control at this exact moment in time and that there's a better chance than not that the market's going to start trending down, right? So we want to be alerted anytime that happens. And so when we get notified of a potential trend change, right, from that moment on, guys, we are looking for one setup and only one setup, and it's gotta look like this. All right, guys. Now, how many times have you seen this, especially all you guys that use the vol today, right? How many times have you seen this perfect retracement setup? Matter of fact, let me get you dialed in here, okay? Let me get you really dialed in here, okay? Folks, I'm telling you, this is the #1 most powerful, highest probability setup you're ever going to see on any chart in your entire life. All right, because this is called a retracement trade, aka the pullback. All right, where you see the market dip down a little bit from the trend change and then come back up, and then give us one of these, a beautiful red reversal bar printing right atop of the band, and it's got to be above the band. And so when we see this setup show up, man, boom, I go short immediately. Check out my fill, right? You can see that I got filled at 458.5 on the NASDAQ. I opened this trade with 2 contracts and I'm kicking myself because I probably should have traded my normal position size, which is 4 contracts. But anyway, I'm not sweating it, all right? I still made money today because check out the first half of my trade where I took profits. Can you see that? I dumped half my position at 1-to-1 risk reward. All right, you can see that here represented by the trade markers on the chart. And this is super important because it allows me to get to break even on my trade. And when I say break even, guys, you know, the stop loss is back here, right? When I open the trade, the stop loss is back here. But when I take profits, boom, man, I move my stop loss to break even so that no matter what happens, I've locked in profits and I cannot lose. And of course, guys and gals, you can see what happened on the second half of my trade, right? Check that out. I dumped the second half of my trade at over 200 ticks in profit. All right, guys. Now, was anything that I showed you here complicated or confusing or cluttered, right? Guys, this is a simple green and red color band. We got into this trade all the way back here, man. I mean, I've put together a trading system that is mechanical, rule-based, and very logical. All right, this trading system is designed to squeeze a huge number of ticks out of the market every day. You just saw me capture 200 ticks today, but many of my customers captured even more. Because look at this thing, right? Look at this thing continue to sell off. I mean, I had guys sending me screenshots of 300 tick winners, 400 tick winners, and we all got in all the way back here for a perfect entry. This is what a winning trading system looks like, folks. I prove it to you each and every day. Congrats to all of my customers and clients who caught this magnificent winner today, and I cannot wait to show you how this indicator is going to perform tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.